Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I have my husband here today, of course.
Again.
We are going to be trying some wrap snacks. We found them. We were out and about and we found them at Spirit Halloween, so we decided to get some and try them.
And when I say wrap snacks, I mean honey jalapeno Fetty Wap. Migos barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch.
A dab of ranch. That sounds good.
Cheddar barbecue Cardi B.
So is that what Cardi B tastes like? Cheddar barbecue?
I guess.
All right, girl.
Ooh wee, Little Yachty's hot cheese fries.
Ooh wee.
You got your finger over it.
Oh,
there we go.
Cha.
And then we have Migos again with the sour cream.
Oh, they have
with
two.
a dab of ranch.
What?
And Cardi B has another one, Jerk Barbecue.
Jerk Barbecue. All right, Cardi B.
So, which
all
one
right.
do you want to try first?
Whee! I don't know.
I'm gonna try save the hot ones for last.
I'm just gonna do this and pick one.
Save the hot ones for last, though. All right. That's the Migos barbecuing with my honey.
Yeah, we're gonna try that one first.
Dab of ranch.
And then we're gonna tell you which one's our favorite.
Yeah.
Pretty explainable. I want to smell it.
Not a lot of chips in the bag. Really, there's only that much chips.
I want to smell it though. I don't know why I was.
Let's smell it.
Ooh, like a sweet. Like a.
It's you can smell the barbecue.
All right.
All right, well, that's how we do it.
I'm gonna pick two. I can smell the barbecue definitely. All right.
Ready?
To me, it tastes like a normal barbecue chip. Not nothing real special, you know?
I mean, I can taste the ranch.
I can't.
I mean, it's not a strong ranch. You can actually see on the chip.
It's like real subtle.
The ranch specks.
There's like a little bit of a thing at the end. All right. What are we?
Not a bad aftertaste.
What are we gonna try next?
Oh, then we're going to Fetty Wap, honey jalapeno. For those of you who watch Trailer Park Boys, you know what I'm talking about.
Love the Trailer Park Boys, by the way. Smell.
Doesn't have really a smell. It just smells like regular.
Yeah, just regular
chips.
I don't know if it's gonna be a.
Grab you one of them.
I'm gonna grab like two. I don't know if it's gonna be a potent like jalapeno, or if it's gonna be. Okay, let's try it. It tastes like a barbecue chip. Don't you think?
I'll start feeling the jalapeno after you swallow.
Ooh.
It's a good jalapeno. Yeah, so it's not an overwhelming. Like you can taste the honey. The honey just masks the jalapeno just enough.
But they're not that spicy. No. If you don't like something spicy, you can handle these.
Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. All right. And we'll just go with the Migos sour cream with a dab of ranch.
Now let's see if we're gonna actually taste the ranch.
Yeah.
And sour cream.
Doesn't have no smell to it. It smells just like plain chips.
It smells, yeah.
There.
All right. Got three.
I got two.
I probably can't.
And you really taste the ranch.
Mmm. Wow.
These are really, you really do have a.
Wow.
These are good.
I like these.
Yeah.
You can actually taste the ranch.
You taste the sour cream.
It's very subtle. Very subtle.
But it's really good, yeah.
Okay. I'm digging these.
That was the sour cream and ranch Migos. Oh. So.
So far, my favorite's this one. That's my favorite.
The barbecue.
No, the ranch and sour cream.
Oh yeah, right here.
Sour cream and wrong ones. My bad. This one. This is my favorite.
Yeah.
Okay.
What we got there?
Cardi B.
Cardi B. And that is the cheddar barbecue. I like cheddar barbecue.
Okay.
Doesn't have really a smell. The only one that's really had a smell was the honey jalapeno.
Right.
Or jalapeno.
But are these going to taste just like the other ones over here, you know?
Well, see, the other ones were a
I already took a bite.
Barbecue and ranch.
I already took a bite.
And this is cheddar barbecue.
I hate the cheddar.
Cheddar is a good strong, not strong, but you taste it. It's real good.
It's really good.
I'm gonna have another one. Cardi B might be onto something here. All right. Well. So far, I'm kind of digging the cheddar barbecue.
I like these.
I do like the jalapeno, honey jalapeno. It's just, you know, we want to give everybody a fair review.
You ready for some hot cheese fries?
Ooh wee.
I'm ready.
Ooh wee.
Like some microwave
Little
spaghetti.
Yachty.
I said microwave
spaghetti. Hot cheese fries.
Let's see how hot these fries are. Do they smell hot?
Doesn't really have a smell.
All right. I'm gonna grab a couple.
No, they're like little mini cheese puffs.
They are hot red. See?
Alright. They taste like the Andy Camps. Those hot fries.
Yes.
That's what they taste. That's what they just taste like, just a little bit bitter. Not really. I don't know. Well, I'm starting to feel a little bit.
I'm saying if you don't, where it says hot, if you don't like hot stuff, you'll be able to handle this. It's not that hot.
If you're sipping on something, drinking like a soda or tea or something or water or whatever, it's not overwhelming. I mean, not bad. Not bad.
And last.
But not least,
we're back with Cardi B.
Cardi B said,
my girl Cardi.
She's bringing the jerk barbecue, baby. Let's see.
I'm gonna taste it.
Let's see if the smell. I really can't smell too much.
Ooh, it's wavy.
Yeah, wavy.
Different.
Oh, here.
Aha. There we go.
Got two of them.
See? Wavy.
Wavy. They taste similar to
her other ones? Or the barbecue?
The honey jalapeno. They taste similar to that. They're just not hot. Yeah. I mean, I can taste the slight taste of the seasoning.
These are my favorite. These are my winner right here. These are delicious.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna have to say mine is a.
Which one's your favorite?
Overall, let me try one of the jalapeno again. Let me just be more fat than I am. Try them out again.
Be more fat than I am.
And these are.
You gonna try them all again?
No, I told you. I must give an unbiased
opinion
and a review. I'm gonna have to say.
Come on, let's make
the barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch.
Hold them up. Yay!
Both of them have ranch in them.
Right.
I like this one. I mean, I like the one she picked, but you know.
But these are our two favorite. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. I'm going to put.
Thumbs up.
I'm going to put an address down below if you want to send us something to try on video, or leave us a comment if there's something you want to see us try. Everybody have a good Sunday, and please subscribe to the channel,
or I will come to your house personally and eat all your food.